Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on an epic journey to a land of breathtaking beauty and staggering natural wonders. We're heading to Pakistan, a country that's home to some of the most dramatic landscapes on Earth, from the highest peaks in the world to life-giving rivers and serene turquoise lakes. Pakistan's geography is nothing short of spectacular. So grab your virtual hiking boots and let's dive into the majestic mountains, mighty rivers, and mesmerizing lakes of Pakistan. Let's start with the giants, the mountains. Boasting an incredible convergence of three of the world's most formidable mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Karakoram, and the Hindu Kush. It's a place where the Earth's crust has been pushed to its absolute limits, creating a skyline of jagged, snow-capped peaks that will leave you speechless. First up, the Karakoram Range. This is where you'll find the king of them all, K2. Standing at a colossal 8,611 meters, K2 is the second highest mountain on the planet. It's notoriously difficult to climb, far more so than Everest with its steep, icy slopes and unpredictable weather. But for those who dare, the views from its vicinity are otherworldly. The Karakoram Highway, often called the eighth wonder of the world, snakes its way through this range, offering some of the most stunning road trip scenery imaginable. Besides K2, the Karakoram is packed with other giants, including Gasherbrum, Iron-2, and Broad Peak, all towering over 8,000 meters. Then we have the western part of the mighty Himalayas. But a more fearsome title is the Killer Mountain. Its rupal face is a sheer wall of rock and ice that rises over 4,600 meters, making it the highest mountain face on Earth. The sheer scale is impossible to comprehend from pictures alone. The area around Nanga Parbat, like the beautiful fairy meadows, offers a stark, beautiful contrast between lush green fields and the imposing icy peak looming above. And let's not forget the Hindu Kush Range, a rugged and remote chain of mountains that forms a natural border with Afghanistan. The highest peak here is Tirich Mir, which dominates the skyline of the Chitral Valley. This region is steeped in history and ancient cultures, and the mountains themselves have an aura of mystery and raw, untamed beauty. The vast glaciers cradled in their valleys, like the famous Baltoro and Biafo glaciers, are some of the longest outside the polar regions. They melt slowly throughout the year. And that brings us to our next chapter, the rivers. Flows through the Himalayas and Ladakh, and then enters Pakistan through the rugged region of Gilgit-Baltistan. For over 3,000 kilometers, it carves its way through the entire length of the country. The Indus Valley was home to one of the world's earliest urban civilizations, and for millennia, this river has sustained agriculture and communities along its banks. Its journey through the Karakoram Highway area, where it winds through deep gorges with towering peaks on either side, is a sight to behold. Whose name literally means land of five rivers. These five rivers are the Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, and Sutlej. Together, they create one of the most extensive irrigation systems in the world. Each river has its own character. The Jhelum flows through the stunning Kashmir Valley, the Chenab is known for its powerful currents, and the Sutlej marks a border with India before joining the others. These rivers are woven into the cultural fabric of the nation, celebrated in poetry, music, and folklore for centuries. Now, from the powerful flow of the rivers, let's transition to the serene tranquility of Pakistan's lakes. These jewels of the north are often hidden away in high-altitude valleys, their brilliant colors a stark contrast to the rugged gray mountains surrounding them. One of the most famous is Saiful Muluk Lake. Nestled in the Kagan Valley, this lake is the stuff of legends. Its crystal-clear greenish-blue waters perfectly reflect the snow-covered peak of Mangla Parbat. Local folklore tells a story of a Persian prince, Saiful Muluk, who fell in love with a fairy princess at this very lake. The enchanting atmosphere, especially on a clear, calm day, makes it easy to believe in fairy tales. It's a popular tourist destination, and the jeep ride up to the lake is an adventure in itself. A little further up in the same region, you'll find the breathtaking Luluzer Lake, the primary source of the Kunhar River. It's larger and often less crowded than Saiful Muluk, offering a sense of profound peace and solitude. Its deep blue waters stretch out, surrounded by green pastures and snow-dusted peaks, making it a perfect spot for quiet contemplation. Traveling further north into Gilgit-Baltistan, we find Attabad Lake. This lake has a unique and recent story. It was formed in 2010 after a massive landslide blocked the Hunza River. Its vibrant turquoise water, set against the barren, brown mountains of the Hunza Valley, is an unforgettable sight. And we can't talk about lakes without mentioning Siasar Lake in Deosai National Park. Deosai is often called the Land of Giants, a high-altitude plateau with rolling green hills, vibrant wildflowers, and at its heart, the beautiful Siasar Lake. The name means blind lake. Its deep blue waters, the green plains, and the distant snowy mountains create a panorama of colors that is simply breathtaking. It's a place that feels untouched by time. So there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible natural treasures of Pakistan. From the sky-piercing summits of K2 and Nanga Parbat, to the life-giving currents of the Indus River and its tributaries, and the serene jewel-like beauty of lakes like Saiful Muluk and Attabad. This is a land of epic proportions, a place where nature's power and beauty are on full display. It's a reminder of just how awe-inspiring our planet truly is. Exploring these landscapes is more than just a trip. It's an adventure that can change your perspective. Of course, we've only scratched the surface today. Each valley, each peak, and each river has 1,000 more stories to tell. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey through Pakistan. If you enjoyed this virtual tour, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. Let me know in the comments which of these places you'd love to visit most. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.